how to use the force for real. My friends, the force comes from this living, permeating field that exists with all around us. We live in an ocean of energy, an ocean of infinite intelligence and infinite possibilities. And the modern Jedi learn to channel that force, that vital life force, right, through their being and channel it and direct that energy. They learn how to do it on a physical level, a mental level, and an energetic level. We see evidence of using the force in so many areas of life, whether it's Qi masters in Qigong or martial arts, right? Whether it's the amazing miracle healing that can happen through sound, through touch. We see evidence of the force in flow states. When people are one with that force, no mind, something is flowing through them. We see that force evident, in great works, in great creation. And my friends, I would say we're just tapping into the bare minimum threshold of what is possible for man. My friends, the force is this living field in which we all have access to, and I want to talk about some ancient Hermetic principles and how to access that field in this video. This is Reality Files. I'm Christian. Hit that like button if you enjoy this message. Let's dive in, my friends. There's a couple precursors we got to get out of the way. That's conscious breath work. That's really where we start with, and I have tons of other videos about that, as well as vital magnetism. You can go watch some of my more recent videos to get attuned to some of these concepts, but we're going to be working with them here in this video. My friends, the force is ultimately rooted in this moment, in being so present, so conscious, so alert in this moment. That's why we start with consciously breathing, right? Breathing in deeply, slowly, and fully, holding and feeling the life of the universe inside of you. Exhaling and letting the universe fall out, right? Dropping into presence. Exhale, I am present. Consciously breathing and attuning and harmonizing the vehicle to this infinite cosmic ocean in which we're in. My friends, there's a dance of subtle energy all around us. But in order to tap in and learn to channel that, in order to invigorate ourselves, our body, and our mind with that life force, we must first harmonize and bring consciousness to the vehicle. We must become present. This is presence and potency, my friends, conscious breath work. From there, feel. The secret is feeling, my friends. When we're fully inhabiting the body, doing that breath work, right? Raise your energy up, raise your willpower up, right? And concentrate. Concentrate on the feelings at the edges of your perception. Concentrate on the most subtle awareness possible. What is the most subtle perception that you can be aware of? Inside your body. Can you feel your spine? Can you feel your skin? Can you feel all the cells vibrating, right? Feel these subtle fields moving and channeling and shifting around you. Breathe and imagine them. See how subtle you can get in your perception. This is where you must become a warrior of perception. So much of my videos are about becoming a warrior of perception. Go watch that, or get my breath work and energy work basic training, link in the description for that. Feel. Let your body resonate with the vibration of earth. Literally go into all the cells of your body and imagine and feel the vibration of earth. Listen with all the cells of your body to the harmony of the cosmos all around you. Listen to the universe with all the cells of your body. Breathe in and let the breeze, let the wind move through you, right? Breathe in and exhale and become one with the waters around you. Breathe in the waters around you, exhale, and become aware of the flowing relationship. Literally witness. The force can be demonstrated and well understood by analogy of sitting in water. When you're bathing or you're sitting in a stream, right, and that water's flowing by you, can you breathe in, exhale, and literally let that stream flow through your skin? To let your whole body resonate with the frequency of that stream, to become one with that stream. It is the same thing as the Force. There are streams moving all around you all the time. The intelligent master, or a Jedi, learns to harmonize with the streams flowing and direct them by his will, right? So when you're doing that conscious breath work, really imagine that ocean of energy streaming all around you and start using your feeling, right? Yoda once said, the Force is that which binds, that which permeates between all things. You know, I can't remember the exact quote, but it's like the rock, the ship, you, whatever, the Force is moving in between it. There's a relationship between all things. And to access that awareness, my friends, conscious breathing, become present. And then in that state, that space of creation where we're tapping into the all mind, right? Become aware of feeling, feel all, embrace all, react to nothing, allow the dance to play out, right? This is a practice that you build on a daily basis. It's modern Jedi training, learning to listen with your whole body. This attunes your body to the harmonics going all around you, right? But this is only step one. How can you bring that awareness into a sport, into a performance? How can you bring that awareness into day-to-day life? When we are one with the Force, we are in a deep breath pattern. We are in a high thought pattern, because our breath pattern creates that thought pattern, creates that heightened state of consciousness, which allows us to access something greater. There's an infinite intelligence moving all around us, right? And that infinite intelligence flows through us in the flow state, in great works of music and art, right? In your great work. It flows through you in intuition, in those split moment reactions where you don't even know what happened, in those superhuman physical, exertions. That Force is accessible, right, at all times. In fact, I believe we're barely scratching the base threshold of human potential. Human potential in that heightened state of consciousness, using the Force, their body pumping with living, vital energy, right? Your mind, basically inspired by that energy, attuned to something higher. The Force can be used when one becomes aware of vital magnetism. This kind of transitions us into the next segment of this video, which is getting into magic. And my friends, all things carry memory. Your vibration, your subconscious mind, your being carries a memory, and that memory is written into your DNA, which another way of looking at DNA is your vital magnetic field, right? This water that holds so much memory, that holds all your programming, that holds your base state of vibration, right? This lime has vital magnetism in it. It has a vital magnetic field, right? This van has a vital magnetic field. That rock has a vital magnetic field. There's the Force permeating it. And the Jedi learns to train his will and intent into vital magnetism through the breath and influence states within himself and all around him. This is how the Jedi learns to master reality. The vital magnetism in here holds memory, and it can be influenced, right? By charging this with, say, an intention of vigor and vitality, right? And imagining yourself in that flow state. Imagine yourself strong and vital in your body, and giving thanks for that. Giving thanks for the vitality in this, right? And really feeling into this lime, like literally extend your perception, extend your awareness into it. Observe the relationship and influence it through your trained will, right? You are influencing the memory, literally the DNA makeup of objects around you. And then when you ingest this lime with that prayer, you are ingesting into your energetic field new programming, right? You can do this with all things around you. Environments carry memory. They carry a vibrational state, right? Rocks, ancient stones, the foods we eat, the water we drink, we can charge all this with vital magnetism through breathing, through feeling, through creating a connection and a relationship, and charging it with your trained will, right? This can also happen within your own being. And this is where the real Jedi magic kind of comes into place, is where you are creating your fortune, you are creating your fate, because you are training your will and you are realizing your power here in this moment. The Force doesn't exist in the next moment, it exists in this moment. And when the Jedi awakens to that consciousness, you start breathing, you get into that place of potency and presence, right? And you choose your attitude for today. You choose the vibration and the attraction in which you're creating. You choose your base state, right? By using the Force, you know how to powerfully influence your own nervous system. You see, the nervous system is literally the subconscious mind. It is the mind that is laced within the whole body, okay? And that mind, that nervous system, let's say we're in a state of anxiety, right? Your lower stomach is going to cramp up, your solar plexus is going to go into overdrive, your adrenals are going to release, your nervous system is going to go into sympathetic and get tight, right? But you can change that state by shifting the belief held in the body, by shifting the vital magnetic charge of the body, which shifts the subconscious mind or loop. To do this, my friends, it is a subtle practice of breathing and realizing that we can literally set a new standard, a new program. What time we wake up at in the morning and how we feel when we wake up is due to subconscious programming in your vital magnetic field. By using vital magnetism, we can set a new charge. We can imagine ourselves and believe ourselves waking up and feeling good. We can in fact feel into that in this very moment. By using the breath and our trained will, which is literally just imagination and intent, right? We can basically influence the state of the body. We can set powerful seeds to do magic, to change attitude, right? To create certain states which are going to allow you to better maneuver through the punches and rolls of this life. So much could be said here, my friends. Go watch How to Do Magic #1. I talk about planting a powerful seed. But this video is about the Force. And, everything I speak about kind of accumulates here in the sense of learning to breathe and become aware of subtle vibrations, learning how to influence those vibrations, and furthermore, learning how to access the infinite intelligence, the infinite creation energy all around you. By learning to do this, you develop your trained will, you develop your capacities and intuitive connection, this muscle memory with subtle energy. And from there, you are really on your way. You have the foundation of being a magician, of influencing your state and influencing reality around you throughout every day. All of a sudden, every meal becomes a prayer. All of a sudden, every drink of water, every interaction, every breath of air, every step on the ground, right? You realize is creating the next moment. You realize the power in the here and now. You learn to listen and feel the Force and let the Force guide you. And by doing that, you let go of fear. You see, when we're operating as one with the Force here and now, we are not thinking and fearing about the future, because we are accumulating and realizing our power in the now, which will carry to the next moment and the next moment. And when we are empowered, right, we're not stagnant, nor fear, nor worry, but we are empowered. We are one with that Force, right? We're unstoppable. No challenge that we face, no obstacle can daunt us or overcome us, because we are at one with that infinite intelligence. We are at one with that infinite power. And it is a subtle, almost, beneath conscious awareness kind of connection. Cultivate that relationship, my friends. Cultivate your practice and your Jedi training. This is how to use the Force. These are ancient Hermetic principles of vibration, of mentalism, right? As well as a deep buried secret in the heart of all men and women, a deep buried secret long lost in the ancient past. It's time to rediscover that and rediscover the order of the Jedi. Thanks for watching, my friends. Again, hit that like button. And if you want to join my intensive breathwork and energy work training program, I'm opening it up for September applicants. So you can apply now and you can get on board for the September session. Thank you so much for being here, my friends. I really encourage you to go check out the free breathwork and energy work training, or join or apply for that intensive training program. Thanks for being here, my friends. Again, whenever you share this with someone you think it will impact, you further the message, you further.